Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the 3D text extension presented by Elementor Pro. This is a new feature that lets you add a dynamic 3D effect on texts in WordPress. Let's see how it works. First, you would have to turn on the extension from your WordPress dashboard. Simply go to Extensions tab on Elementor Pro and turn on the 3D text switcher. Hit Save Changes to activate the feature. Now, get inside the Elementor page editor from the main menu to begin fun. Here, we have taken a heading widget and customized the font to make it big and bold. You can see the 3D text section below at the Content tab. Click on it and then turn on the switcher. You can see that the text already got a 3D shaped layer. If you turn off the fade switcher, the text edges does fade with a 3D animation. To see things clearly, you can change the depth color for the effect to be more visible. You can always change the depth of the 3D using the scroll bar on top. For ease of view, you can insert any amount of layers for the 3D text. The event option is for activating a 3D effect on hover, which is set to none at the moment. Just click it and select pointer. You can see the 3D text moving along with your cursor movement. This is a 3D seesaw text effect that goes side by side, having the middle point as the axis. The more the layers, the more refined 3D texture you will get. The animation direction for pointer could be default or reverse. The perspective scroll bar is used to adjust the viewing distance of the 3D text. Just use it as you want. You can see the effect by flipping the fade switcher. Then we have the scroll 3D effect that tilts the text as you begin scrolling up or down. The scroll effect also has separate X and Y pointers for fixed axis rotations. Of course, you can adjust the rotation span using the scroll bar here. Just go for random values and see the effects. The higher the value, the more movements you will see. The reverse animation direction just flips the 3D pointer direction of your cursor. That's all about the 3D text extension. Hopefully you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with us. Until next time.